In this video, I am going to talk about starting trading on a budget. I usually get comments in the comment section of my video. People asking me if I can send them money for trading, if I can do this for them. Basically, it's around sending them money so that they can start trading. In this video, I'm just going to give you tips on how you can also start day trading on a very low budget. Because let's face it, not everyone has got 10,000 to fund their trading account. Not everybody has 100K or $1,000 or $500 to start with for their trading. By the way, the broker that I use, you can start trading with just $5. With just $5, you can start trading a real live trading account. So if you've been testing your strategy, you've been perfecting everything in demo, you've been learning and things like that, and you come to a point where you want to try a real live account, you just need to find $5. I don't think it's too hard to find for anybody. $5. Of course, some people will say no, it's too low and things like that. But trust me, I flipped $5, $10 into $50, $100 easily. So the key is you start small, but don't aim to turn that $5 into $10,000. No, it's impossible, especially overnight. You cannot do it. But what you want to do is set a realistic goal. So the realistic goal for me is usually flipping that $5 into something like $30, $50. Then obviously you compound it and things go on from there. The link to my broker is in the link in the description box below. Go ahead and sign up with them. So uh, how to start day trading on a low budget. Number one, you want to start with the amount of money that you have. For example, I said my broker, you can start with $5. Some brokers they take $10. Some brokers they take 20. Some brokers they take 100. It's That's the nice thing about forex trading. The thing called leverage. Leverage. It's a double-edged sword. Let me warn you. But what it means is you don't need to put your $1,000 up front. What you can do is you can start with $100, $10, and you take the broker's leverage and you use it to your advantage. If you have a good strategy and you are a good trader, it should not be hard for you to take that leverage and use it to your advantage. Also, if you are afraid of leverage, because many people are, because of what, if things don't go according to plan, it's an easy way to lose money. It's a quick way to lose money. What you probably want to do is hustle. You are going to have to hustle, and you are going to say maybe this week you deposit $5 into your account. You start growing that $5, but next week you find another $5. You deposit again into your account. So you are growing your account as you trade it, and you are growing your account as you invest those small amounts that you are coming across. At the end of the day, those two approaches, you are going to end up with something decent to start with. I'm not going to define decent for you. Go online, many people will say you cannot trade forex with less than $1,000. Some will say you can't trade with 100. Some will say you can't trade with anything below 50. Some will say if you are trading below 100K, you are wasting your time. So I'm not going to define decent for you. It's up to you and how good a trader you are. But what you want to do is you want to start. You want to start somewhere. So if you don't have money, what you're going to do is you're going to sign up with my broker. The link is in the description box below. It's just $5. They are one of the best brokers in the world. Then you start your trading and you get another $5. You deposit is now the $10. Hopefully, you are also trading on the side at that $5 account. So eventually, you can quickly or eventually gradually get it to maybe $50, $100 that way. Then the second point is do not trade highly volatile pairs. If you are trading on a budget, you cannot afford to be trading highly volatile pairs. Pairs like GBP, USD, Y, pairs like gold, like silver. You want to find a pair that moves, but it's not crazy. GBP USD is a better idea if you have a low budget. If you've got a small account, yes, you can scalp it, but the risk that you'll be taking is huge. So what you want to do with your small account, your low budget account, is to avoid the highly volatile pairs. The temptation is to want to go and trade those ones because what you believe you are going to quickly make money. But the truth is also that you can quickly lose that account if things turn against you. So you want to find a pair that moves, but it's more comfortable. And there are various pairs. I'm not going to go and dig into that because everyone has got their own temperate pair and their own volatile pair. So some of these you might want to Google, or if you want to leave your comments in the comment section below. So avoid highly volatile pairs if you are trading with a small account that you are trying to grow. You might make money today, tomorrow you might lose that money. Okay, third point is you want to aim to day trade or swing trade. Personally, I found that with a very small account, it's very easy to day trade or swing trade. Well, what do I mean by day trading? I'm talking about taking trades above 1 hour time frame, as well as above 4 hour time frame daily swing trading. Of course, you are going to have limited opportunities, unlike somebody who is scalping. But remember, the person who is scalping is banking on having a huge account and having to place a large size of a position and aiming that it just moves just a few pips and they collect their money and they go. You cannot afford that because your account doesn't have that much equity. You don't have that equity. You don't have that huge money in your huge amount in your account to be able to make any meaningful scalping. You can try to do it. It's all good and fine. It's your money. You are free to do whatever you want to do. But trust me, you will have better success day trading or swing trading. Scalping, leave it to people who have got bigger amounts in their accounts. Those guys, they just want 5 pips. You with your small account, you are aiming for 20 pips. Your things might turn against you easily, very easily, and you blow your account. So that's the third point. Number four, of course, you want to set a realistic goals. If you're starting with $5 or $10, don't try to fool yourself that you are going to turn that into $1 million. Maybe it's possible, but it's going to take you a very long time and it's going to be frustrating. So what you want to do is have realistic goals. If obviously you're going to start with $5 or $10, what you're aiming for is $50, $100 as starters as you gather enough of your funds from somewhere else. If you manage to turn your $5 into $50, that's good. Take that $30, go out and buy a bagel, buy a beer or something, and celebrate and come back and do it again. Eventually, as you do it more and more and more and more, you start seeing growth and consistency in your account. But don't aim to turn that $5 into what? Into $10,000, into $1,000. Why? Just aim to go into $100, $200, and perfect your trading. The good thing is, after you perfected your trading on that $5, you can even still apply to go for FTMO, like funded trader programs. Then you can go there and you get access to bigger capital. Then you can use your strategy that you tested on that $5, $10, and you are able to make more money. Then the last point, obviously, is an obvious one. You want to take advantage of free information that's available on the internet. Obviously, you don't have money, so you cannot afford to buy robots, systems, expensive stuff. By the way, if you want to download stuff, robots, indicators, books, and stuff that people are selling out there are links in the description box below. You can download everything for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so you don't need to pay anybody. So take advantage of that. Take advantage of free stuff online. If you say you don't want to download my indicators, the robots that I share from other people and stuff like that, it's so good and fine. But you can also go to Baby Peeps, you can go to YouTube, you can go to Telegram groups. There are various free Telegram groups where you can actually find somebody giving out some good signals and stuff like that. Take advantage of the free stuff if you don't have money. There is always a way to get things for free. Okay, so I hope this helps you if you are going to start day trading on a budget. I hope I've given you some pointers, some things to think about. Otherwise, guys, if you're not yet subscribed, you're going to miss future videos. Go ahead and just subscribe and like the video. Dislike it, like it. If you have any thoughts, comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer your comments and your whatever. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.